Hi, to access files on your OnePlus Nord 3, we just need to swipe up first to open the list of apps. And here we need to find the yellow icon and the name My Files. So now let's open the app. And first thing we can see is device storage. So you can see how many gigabytes you used and the total amount of your gigabytes. After that, you can check your photos, videos, audio, documents, and so on. In the tab Sources, you can check the download files, the Bluetooth files as well by the categories, all photos, videos, and so on. Here you can check the private save feature and recently deleted items if you have one. You can go in the recents as well and check recently added files here by the days and go in the tag. And now you'll find the default tags, but you can add your own by tapping on the plus. Here just give it a name, save it. Now you can add some files here to not lose them in the future. Just tap the add and it will be added to this new folder by the tag indicator. You can also tap on the three dots, select to edit and delete some of the not needed folders. You can also open settings. Here, just make some adjustments, for example, enable display hidden files and disable show shortcut to private save, or enable both of the features. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.